Welcome back to the Thinking Crypto podcast, your home for cryptocurrency news and interviews. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button as well as the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. If you're listening on a podcast platform such as Apple or Spotify, please give me a 5-star rating. This content is brought to you by Uphold, which is a great platform that allows you to buy, sell, trade, and earn cryptocurrencies. Uphold also has a unique feature where you can trade between different assets, such as cryptocurrencies, the precious metals, the US stocks. I've been using this platform for years, so I vouch for it, and I still use them to this day. They have 10 plus million users, 200 plus cryptocurrencies, and they are available in 150 countries. If you would like to learn more, please visit the link in the description. All right, my friends, huge news today. We have financial heavyweights, Charles Schwab, Citadel, Fidelity, and others have come together to start digital asset exchange EDX Markets. My friends, all the massive institutions, brokerages, stock exchanges, banks, financial institutions are all setting up shop in the crypto asset class. They are integrating crypto into their services. They are building out the analytics, the reporting, the infrastructure, the white glove service that exists in the traditional financial world that is being built for crypto. And this is going to be the greatest asset class ever. And that is not hyperbole. Crypto and digital assets and the tokenization of assets on the blockchain, real estate, cars, artwork, you name it. Plus, you have central banks building their CBDC. So money, the fiat currencies at least, will be running on the blockchain. And not to mention NFTs and all the other things that are going to be built on the blockchain, guys. So look at when this is happening, when blood is on the streets, when the price is crashing, when retail is scared. That is when these folks are setting up shop, because that is how smart money operates. Buy the low, sell the highs. Now, let me give you the details here. Schwab, Citadel Securities, Fidelity, and other Wall Street firms start crypto exchange EDX Markets. The exchange will be led by Jamil Nazarali, a former senior executive at trading giant Citadel Securities. So once again, some powerhouses here. Other high-profile EDX backers include trading firm Virtue Financial and venture capital firm Sequoia Capital and Paradigm. The news follows an announcement last month from BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, that will give its institutional clients a way to invest into cryptocurrencies. Remember when we covered the BlackRock news, I said this was a huge domino that's falling, and there's going to be more, right? You have Metcalfe's law playing out here, network adoption, and the network effect will, of course, be reflected in the price of the assets. And it's amazing to see what's happening. Here's a quote. Crypto is a $1 trillion global asset class with over 300 million participants and pent-up demand from millions more. EDX Markets Board of Directors said in a statement, unlocking this demand requires a platform that can meet the needs of both retail traders and institutional investors with high compliance and security standards. See what these guys are talking about? A $1 trillion global asset class. What have I been saying for years? This is a global asset class running on the blockchain, 24/7 trading, borderless, and you don't have to be an accredited investor. You could be in some country in Africa, some country in South America, it's somewhere in Nebraska. It doesn't matter. You have $20, $100, you buy some Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, whatever. You are part of the asset class, just like the billionaire and the millionaire buying 100 Bitcoin. That is what's unique about this, guys. And remember, it's hard cap, it's verifiable, it's trust. There's obviously a layer of trust because of the blockchain. You can see everything. And huge opportunity, nothing like it in the history of the world. And I hope you guys see what these mega giant financial institutions are doing. They are building, setting up shop, mergers, acquisitions, expansions globally. So very bullish news here. I think if you've been in this crypto market for a while and you're seeing BlackRock, you're seeing Charles Schwab, Citadel, Fidelity, and all these big players making moves, that should give you an indication of what's to come. Now, big news in the Ripple SEC lawsuit, or I should say SEC Ripple lawsuit. Attorney Jeremy Hogan tweeted out the following. This is a huge week in crypto law. The Ripple summary judgment briefs will be filed today, although we won't see them until Monday, and a decision in the library case is expected this week. These two things will affect the entire space for years to come. And in fact, attorney James K. Filan, he just tweeted out the Ripple defendants have filed under seal their motion of summary judgment, the memorandum of law in support of the motion of for summary judgment, the Rule 56.1 statement, a declaration of Michael K. Kellogg, and the 106 exhibits. He says here, on Monday, September 19th, 2022, the parties will file public redacted versions of the briefs in support of summary judgment motions, making only those provisional redactions requested by the parties. So essentially, we're moving in the right direction. Both parties have, once again, filed their motions for summary judgment. And I'm curious what those respective summary judgments are going to say, and we'll have to wait for the details. Now, does that mean a settlement is nearby? Is it going to happen next week? I don't think so. I think there's still a lot more to go here, but we're making progress. I know it's snail's pace. I know it's slow as hell, but it's playing out. And I just want to see the SEC get their ass handed to them because of the conflicts of interest, because of the regulation by enforcement stance. And I think we're going to see Congress, especially if the Republicans win the midterm, go after Gensler and the SEC. And in fact, Gensler will be speaking on Thursday, as we've been covering. And Eleanor Torretta Fox Business tweeted out the following. Per the banking GOP aide on Gary Gensler Thursday hearing, here's a quote, expect Senator Toomey and the banking GOP to argue that Chairman Gensler's pursuit of a highly politicized liberal policy agenda has distracted him from fulfilling, the SEC core mission of protecting investors, maintaining fair, orderly, and efficient markets, and facilitating capital formation. Key issues on the agenda. SEC's refusal to produce regulatory clarity for crypto actors contributed to recent crypto lending product bankruptcies. Proposed climate disclosure rule exceeds SEC mandate. So I'm sure he's going to get grilled, which is what we want. I will be watching that for sure. And here, Hester Peirce, commissioner of the SEC, who I've interviewed about 3 times now, she retweeted Mark Yeda's a recent speech where he called out the SEC's nonsense by using regulation by enforcement. She said, Mark Yeda, or Ueda, if I'm saying that right, is right that regulation through enforcement does not yield the outcomes achievable through the process that involves public comment. And she said here, scattershot enforcement actions aren't the best way to protect investors. Absolutely. Now, finally, yesterday we talked about Fidelity planning to launch a retail service to their 34.4 million customers, and apparently they're looking to hire for that. So it looks like their job ads are confirming that's the move that's coming. And of course, they're partnering, as we covered at the beginning of the video, Charles Schwab, Citadel Securities, and the Fidelity will be working on building this EDX market. So big things ahead, my friends. Remember, macro view, buy the lows, sell the highs, be patient, and pay attention to what they do, not what they say. Exactly what is happening, you need to pay attention to to be a well-informed investor. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Hit the thumbs up button, share this video, and I'll talk to you all later.